Formtek is a leading manufacturer of metal forming and fabricating solutions for a wide range of industries. Formtek's Winpro brand is renowned for its fenestration systems for the manufacture of doors and windows. Winpro's fenestration equipment is known for its build quality, reliability, and engineering excellence. These qualities are also reflected in the newly redesigned Screen Express, a semi-automatic screen machine that has revolutionized the window fabrication industry. The Winpro Screen Express provides your business with a distinct competitive advantage by increasing productivity, efficiency, and cost savings. The Screen Express provides a semi-automatic spline insertion process, eliminating previously costly and labor-intensive manual spline insertion procedures. Its features are designed to optimize efficiency in the screening process. Those features include mindful equipment footprint, including the option of a swing arm mounted operator station, which offers all the functionality of a pedestal unit but eliminates the need for additional floor space. Rigid design utilizing 3.5-inch steel tubing as frame members, which help to ensure precise axis positioning. More rigid carriage design is now driven on both sides by the belt-driven actuators. Carriage and spline head belt-driven actuators ensure smooth travel, replacing the rack and pinion systems. Enhanced Z-axis positioning with hand wheel and counter for better height control and faster changeovers. Redesigned pneumatic control system provides an increased machine response time. Inclusion of the most current electrical control technology and safety circuitry from B&R Industrial Automation ensures first-class build. Built with the highest safety standards and considerations, including light curtains and barrier guards. When the light curtain field of observation is interrupted, the machine automatically goes into stop mode for safety. Only after a manual command is given does the Screen Express resume its operation. The Screen Express can handle window and door screen sizes ranging from 10 inches by 12 inches to 38 inches by 80 inches. A larger model, the Screen Express SS, is also available with an increased maximum screen size of 48 inches by 96 inches. The Screen Express also offers superior software features, accessible on a touchscreen display. These include up to 100 size, style, file batching through a network direct download using a handheld scanner, FTP download, or manually inputting data. Single cycle mode can be used during a batch sequence to run an out-of-sequence size screen. Automatic frame fixture positioning activated by 2D or 1D barcode scanning or FTP download. Screen frame profile examples. User-friendly operator controls and easily adaptable programs. The Screen Express is controlled by Formtek's exclusive design, taking into consideration all the variables the window screen industry must work with. The programs are easily adaptable to most modifications required. Password access controlled data and required settings that can be changed by supervisor override when necessary. The Screen Express is designed to handle the needs of the fenestration industry. Here's how it works. Once the screen cloth has been properly positioned and the operator is clear of the safety curtain field, the Start button is activated. A separate foot assembly that is also controlled on a given side helps control the screen cloth to maximize job quality. The Winpro Screen Express is also programmed to raise and lower the foot at the right time to avoid crossbars and protect the screen cloth from tearing or marring as the spline insertion process ends and the spline is cut to fit. The screen cloth is cut just behind the finished screen for easy removal, and the whole process is ready to begin again. As the Screen Express repeats the process, the operator has time to trim the screen and prepare a new frame before the end of the insertion cycle. As a result of all the Screen Express's advanced features and innovative design, your business can expect increased productivity for large batches, especially for large order needs. Increased product quality, virtually eliminating the hourglass effect. Lowered labor intensity through semi-automated processes that translate to reduced man-made errors and decreased employee downtime. Higher job quality requiring minimal operator training. Minimized material waste due to increased screen control and a separate foot assembly that protects the screen cloth from tearing or marring. The Screen Express is the only system on the market that can deliver these advantages and is only available from Winpro. Visit formtekgroup.com to find out how to improve the efficiency and increase the cost savings of your fenestration manufacturing operation with the Winpro Screen Express.